You spend your entire weekend cleaning. By Wednesday, your house is a mess again. You think you are naturally messy. Japan disagrees. In Japan, homes stay effortlessly spotless. But they don't spend their weekend scrubbing. They use a completely different system. Today I will show you 5 invisible Japanese habits. Habits that practically eliminate the need to clean. Stay with me until number 5. That one is a deep psychological shift. It will completely change how you view your home. Let's begin. In the West, cleaning is a massive event. You wait for the mess to build up. Then you spend hours fighting it. Japan does the exact opposite. Number 1 is called nagara-suji. It means cleaning while doing. The action and the cleanup are one single movement. You don't leave a dirty pan for tonight. You wash it while your food is resting. You wipe the bathroom mirror while brushing your teeth. You rinse the shower glass before turning off the water. There is zero friction. There is no buildup. You never actually sit down to clean. You just quietly reset the space as you live. The mess never gets a chance to exist. Number 2 will instantly clear your bathroom. Look at your bathroom sink right now. Look at your shower floor. You probably have bottles sitting everywhere. Every single object on a counter traps dust. Every bottle in a shower grows mold underneath it. Japan uses a brilliant concept called ukeisushino. This translates to floating storage. Nothing is allowed to sit on the counter. Shampoo bottles hang from magnetic clips on the wall. Sponges hang on hidden hooks. Trash cans float attached to cabinet doors. When nothing touches the surface, dirt cannot hide. Wiping a completely clear counter takes 2 seconds. Moving 10 bottles to wipe a counter takes 5 minutes. Float your items. You will reclaim hours of your life. Number 3 happens the moment you walk inside. You already know about removing shoes in Japan. But this goes much deeper than shoes. In the West, mail gets dumped on the kitchen island. Amazon boxes sit in the hallway for days. Shopping bags stay on the bedroom chair. In Japan, the entryway is a strict filter. Cardboard boxes never go past the front door. Mail is sorted before you even take off your coat. Plastic packaging is removed and discarded instantly. You aren't just keeping out street dirt. You are rejecting future clutter. Stop the chaos at the threshold. Do not let the outside world pollute your sanctuary. Number 4 protects your mornings. It is the strict nightly reset. You finish dinner and you are exhausted. You leave a few dishes in the sink. You leave the throw blanket crumpled on the couch. You tell yourself you will deal with it tomorrow. Stop here. Let this land. Waking up to a mess spikes your cortisol immediately. Your day starts in a stress deficit. Japanese households practice a hard daily reset. Before bed, the sink is wiped completely dry. The cushions are straightened perfectly. The dining table is completely cleared. It takes exactly 5 minutes. But the psychological payoff is massive. You are gifting your future self a blank slate. Tomorrow starts with peace, not leftover chores. Now for number 5. The one that changes everything. This isn't a physical action. It is a complete rewiring of your brain. In the West, cleaning is a punishment. It is a frustrating chore you hate doing. In Japan, cleaning is called suji. It is deeply rooted in Zen Buddhist philosophy. Cleaning the floor is not about removing physical dirt. It is about polishing your own mind. When you wipe a window, you clear your thoughts. It is a quiet, spiritual practice of pure gratitude. You are caring for the space that protects you. When you shift this mindset, everything feels different. You stop seeing a dirty dish as a burden. You see washing it as a moment of quiet focus. The shift is incredibly simple. Do not wait for the mess to overwhelm you. Do not dedicate your precious weekend to scrubbing. Float your bottles off the counter. Filter your mail at the door. Clean while you move. Reset the room before you sleep. Look around your space right now. What is one thing you can float off the counter? Tell me in the comments below. Start today. Reclaim your weekend.